Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to add email address in Facebook. So let's start the video. Open Facebook application on your phone and tap on three lines top right corner. Now tap on settings icon top right corner. Here go to personal details. Again tap on personal details. Here tap on contact info. Now tap on add new contact. Here tap on add email address. Now enter email address and tick on Facebook account. Now tap on next. A verification code will be sent to your new added email address. Open Gmail application and copy verification code, then paste here. Finally tap on close and go back. Now you can see that email address has been added to your Facebook account. So in this way you can add email address in Facebook account. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.